To the Greek Phalanx and to pay-per-view.
Oh, you're gonna ruin that bitch!
Thompson and Rodriguez. Martial arts gods clashing in the ring for the first time ever. Rodriguez challenges his domestic life partner for the title.
This is legendary! If you see that Rodriguez guy, you tell him I know his ratings. You tell him go to his grandma's house and ring the bell, trick or treat. You know what I'm saying? If you see Rodriguez, you tell him I'm gonna end his show. I'm gonna wipe every trace of his existence off the planet. You dig? And tell him we're out of skim milk. Pick up the dry cleaning.
Thompson and Rodriguez. Wrecking